Well, first, it was really a great opportunity to create new connections in the industry, but also to access real expertise that we do not have the opportunity to find by ourselves. So really gaining new insights, new connections.
Have gotten the chance to meet a lot of like-minded startups that are working with similar types of technologies, different stages. So also to explore with each other if there is any potential synergies of collaborating between us. That has been very nice conversations during the day.
Our strategy before Hello Tomorrow was patent the process and anything else. And now our strategy is, okay, we need to patent the process, we need to patent the product, we need to patent in the future a new strain. That's very useful. Well, I strongly recommend them to apply to Hello Tomorrow and to take profit of the program because it can give you a lot of value to the startup.
I was very impressed by the quality of the startups that were brought together by Hello Tomorrow. Also very impressed by the way that Hello Tomorrow actually organized this whole cohort, the sessions that were organized to follow up, and then absolutely also this last event where everybody was brought together and we could mingle and communicate and discuss certain things was absolutely great.